What is up, everybody? This is Nick Boyles here. I'm working on my video tutorial series for newcomers, how to get started, registered, and Forsage. We're down here on step 3, where we're going to take some Ethereum we bought on Coinbase and earlier videos, and we're going to send them to the CoinBaseWallet app. The reason I'm recording on a phone-to-phone here is because when I do a screen record on Coinbase, it darkens the screen where you can't see what's going on. And what good is a tutorial if you can't see the screen? It's just a security feature, so they don't allow anyone to do any screen records. Alright, so first things first, on Coinbase Wallet, we need to get our Ethereum address. So, close, come on, back up. You gotta love it. My app wants to freeze in a video. Okay, so let's kill the app. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, Coinbase Wallet. Alright, we want to receive. We want to receive Ethereum. And we're going to copy. Oh, not hit share. Alright. Alright, yeah, copy. See the copy button? Alright, so it says I copied the address. Alright. Okay, now let's go to Coinbase. As you see, got 10 bucks in there. And let's see, let's go to the wallet. That button in the upper right hand corner, that right facing arrow, that's the send button. So we want to send. We're going to hit max, because just going to send the $10 for training. Going to paste in the address that I got from Coinbase Wallet. I'm going to hit preview send. Alright, it's going to send $8. I'm going to lose a couple in the fee. I'm going to hit send now. It's going to ask me to do my two-factor. Let's copy that. Let's go back. And then I'd hit paste. And as soon as I hit submit, it will go ahead and send it. Okay, let's do view transaction. Between Coinbase to Coinbase should be kind of quick. So, still says pending. Alright. So let's go get that address again. And I'm going to go to Etherscan. So, Etherscan.io is the blockchain for Ethereum. So, if I could type Etherscan.io, I'll paste that address in there. Let's search for it. Alright, now we got the pending transaction. Excellent. Right, let's click on it. Still pending. Alright, it says about 45 seconds or so we should get a confirmation. Just wait a little bit. There we go. Now we got one confirmation. So that means it should start showing in the wallets pretty soon. So let's go back to Coinbase Wallet. Come on. Back button. Cooperate. So it froze up on me again. Murphy's Law when you're trying to make a video. Alright. Okay. And boom. I have Ethereum now in the wallet. That was the $8 that I sent. Okay. Now, in order to get into Forsage, you're going to need more than $8. I'm just doing the $8 as a demonstration. To get into Ethereum, you're going to need 0.05 Ethereum to join. If you're not sure how much that is, you can go Google Ethereum price calculator and then put in 0.05 ETH, and it'll tell you what the rate for that ETH is that day. Also, you'll need to add some extra money to cover gas. So that could fluctuate anywhere from around $20, $30, depending on what time of day. So make sure you have enough to cover to get started. So in my final videos, it's going to be how to finally register with Forsage. But by this point, you should be pretty good at moving around between wallets and moving around crypto with ease. Alright, look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, and have a great day.